Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about the vowel E. Okay? So, children, today we are going to read that started with the vowel A. At very first, you have to know the sound of E. The sound of E is A. What? The sound of E is A. What is the first picture? Egg. E-Z-Z. Egg. Egg. What is the next one? E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. E-N-V-E-L-O-P-E. Envelope. Envelope. What is the next picture? So now we will read those words which have vowel E in the middle. D-R-E-S-S. Dress. D-R-E-S-S. Dress. Where's the vowel? Yes, here is the vowel. What is the next one? Pen. P-E-N. Pen. P-E-N. Pen. It's pen, not pain. What is the next? Well. W-E-L-L. Well. W-E-L-L. Well. Now, children, again we will read the word that started with the vowel E. So you all know the sound of E. What is this? Egg. E-Z-Z. Egg. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Fant. Elephant. E-M-P-T-Y. Empty. E-L-B-O-W. Elbow. Elbow. E-N-V-E-L-O-P-E. Envelope. E-N-V-E-L-O-P-E. Envelope. E-L-F. Elf. E-L-F. Elf. Now repeat after me. Egg. Elephant. Empty. Elbow. Envelope. Elf. Now we will read that word which have vowel E in the middle. What is the first one? N-E-S-T. Nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. W-E-L-L. Well. P-E-T. Pet. P-E-T. Pet. P-E-N. Pen. Most of us pronounce it as pain, but it's not pain, it's pen. G-E-L-L-Y. Jelly. D-R-E-S-S. Dress. Now again repeat after me. Nest. Well. Pet. Pen. Jelly. Dress. Now all of you turn the page number 18. It is page number 18. What is this? Take the picture whose names start with the vowel E. क्या लिखा है? Tick the pictures whose names start with the vowel E. टिक करना है, मतलब कि हम लोगों को टिक करना है जो पिक्चर क्या है, vowel E से स्टार्ट हुए हैं. एंड सर्कल द वंस दैट हैव vowel E इन द मिडल. और सर्कल करना है वो पिक्चर जो पिक्चर में क्या होता है, vowel E जो है वो बीच में होता है, मिडल में होता है. ठीक है. अभी तो हम लोगों ने कुछ वर्ड पढ़ा था ना, तो ये सारे पिक्चर वहाँ के ही है ना. तो अभी हम लोगों को फिर से क्या करना है, एक बार पिक्चर्स देखना है, उसका नाम बोलना है, फिर वो वर्ड का क्या करना है, सर्कल, जो मिडल में है वो सर्कल करना है, और जो स्टार्टिंग लेटर ई से है तो उसको हम लोगों को क्या करना पड़ेगा, टिक करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट पिक्चर. The first picture is what? Yes, this is what? Egg. What is the spelling of egg? E-Z-Z. Egg. The word egg is started with the vowel E. So you have to what? Take this picture because the vowel A is the first letter of the word. Yes or no? Or next, N-E-S-T, nest. So in this word nest, we have the vowel E in the middle. So you have to what? Yes, very good. You have to circle this picture. What is the next one? Yes, well. So do you know the spelling of well? Yes. Spelling of well is W-E-L-L. So in this word well, the vowel is again in the middle. So you have to again circle this picture. Okay children. What is the next picture? This is the picture of pen. So do you know the spelling of pen? Yes, P-E-N. So where is the vowel? Yes, the vowel is in the middle. So again, what we will do? We will again circle this one. Okay. What is the next picture? Yes, this is a picture of elbow. Do you know the spelling of elbow? Yes. Okay. E-L-V-O-W. Okay, good. So in this word elbow, we have the word started with the letter E. So you have to take this picture. Okay. What is the next one? The next one is what? Pet. So do you know the spelling of pet? Yes, the spelling of pet is P-E-T. In this word pet, we have the vowel E in the middle. So we have to circle this picture. Okay. What is the next one? The next one is what? Envelope. Do you know the spelling of envelope? The spelling of envelope is E-N-V-E-L-O-P-E. The word envelope is started with the vowel E. So we have to take this one. What is the next picture? This is the picture of jelly. Do you know the spelling of jelly? Yes. Z-E-L-L-Y. Jelly. Okay. So in this word jelly, where is the vowel? Yes, the vowel is in the middle. So now we have to circle this one. Okay. What is the next picture? Yes, this is the picture of an elephant. Do you know the spelling of elephant? Yes, the spelling of elephant is what? E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. The word elephant is started with the vowel E. So we have to take this one. After that, you have to write today's date. What is the date? Yes, 16/6/2020. Okay. Thank you.